Hey guys, this is Car Superblock, and I'm doing some work on my 5 Series again. I have removed my EGR already. It goes here, then you need to remove this clamp, and then for this BMW specifically there are 4 nuts holding it right here. But since this is not BMW specific video, I think it's like this, right? These are the 4 screws you need to remove. And the way you clean it is actually, you can use a special spray, something like this. This is for airflow sensor, but there are special ones for the EGR. They are a bit more aggressive, but the best way is actually using some elbow grease. This is a strong cleaner. I use gloves while doing this. Right now I'm just showing what I did. This is the EGR. You can see it's rather clean now. Not here, but this is alright. There are no build-up carbon crap. It doesn't look shiny, but it's clean. It's better than it looked before. So take a brush, take some strong cleaner. Petrol can work, but I would recommend the special cleaner because you can damage some rubber on other models, but for this one it was fine. So this is the way to clean the EGR. Just take a brush and go in everywhere, brush it in so there's no carbon buildup. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching.